white car passed me. So I guess they were so impatient to wait in the line. But everybody at 12 o'clock, I go to work study. You did?
No, I didn't. I just died.
Okay, touch him. Hey guys, I hope you can see me. Somebody just passed me. Like, are they serious? Anyway, I am sitting in a parent pickup line because I tutor after class. And I want to do like a vlog style this week. Oh my goodness, this is so off. But yeah, I wanted to do like a vlog week. And today is Tuesday, March 19th. And earlier, you just saw me at my work study job and then going to pick up some food. Got some nuggets and some lemonade. I had a salad. I was going to put my nuggets in my salad. But as soon as I got to the car, I dropped it. So now I just have nuggets with no sauce. And I'm sitting here waiting in this pickup line. And you're supposed to like line up on the side of the street here. And this white car passed me. So I guess they were so impatient to wait in the line with everybody behind me that they had to come up and hop line. So while I'm waiting, I'm watching some construction workers. They're doing some roofing or whatever. And she's probably gonna have to move because she's blocking. So that's what she gets for passing me. So now I'm just sitting here waiting on my students to get out of school. They get out of school about 2:45ish. It's 2:37. So after this, we'll do some tutoring. Then after that, I have an online meeting. I'll bring you along for that. And I'm gonna try to do some room workouts. And normally I go to the gym, but today's just a really busy day. And I have some lesson plans. We have 20 lesson plans due on Wednesday. That's tomorrow. So it probably is going to be an all-nighter. I have 4 out of 20 lesson plans done. I have an assignment due tonight at midnight. And I'm studying for the practice. So this is going to be an interesting week. So I'll just see you when I see you. What you got? Did you color this all by yourself? Look at you. I like that. Okay. Oh my my goodness, I promise he's not gonna hurt you.
It is. Okay.
We're gonna put him back in the dirt so he can get.
Yeah. I was trying to. I didn't even. No, don't put him in the dirt. I'm gonna touch him for real.
Here, touch him.
Okay. Don't. Nope.
Touch him.
Nope. Don't let him. Don't him. I'm gonna test him. What are those poison leaves? The weird ones?
No, ma'am. We're gonna put him back in the dirt.
Okay, I'm going to test him.
Come on, maybe tomorrow. Alright, guys, I just finished with my tutoring. Now I have to go get ready for my online class at 6. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get like some lesson planning done before that 6 o'clock time period hits. Then I'm just looking for a parking spot. And there are never any parking spots at my dorm. So, oh, there's one. Oh. Alright. So, I'm gonna go in and get started on lesson planning. I just finished doing a face mask. Sorry, I'm having a snack of some strawberries and animal crackers. So now it is 6:15 and I'm getting ready for my online meeting, which is supposed to be 6:30. But she has to like send us an invite. She has to send us an invite for us to be invited to it. So she's canceled since she's been canceling since the first day of school. So after this, I'm gonna get my workout on. I'm not gonna go to the gym. I'm just gonna use my resistant bands in the room, my yoga mat, my sweatband, and I'm gonna break a sweat. And over here at my desk, I was just working on this subject right here, and she got us answering some questions that are okay. Forget that. Look at it over here. Just answering these questions. And I was just copying and pasting the answer because she was like, you have to type it. And there's no way I'm like going to be going back and forth typing when you can just copy and paste. So, just bringing these answers to over here. And at the top, we just had to choose chapter 9 or chapter 10 from my understanding when I was reading up here. So that's what we're doing. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Today I have all my scrubs because I go into lab for 1 hour today, and I'll be in the 1-year-old room. So from 10 to 11 I'll be in there. Then I have an 11 o'clock class. Then at 12 o'clock I go to work study. Then at 2 I pick up my tutor student. So today is a very busy day for me. But right now I'm just over here having some grits, banana, my 1-a-day vitamin, and some water. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully to catch up with you guys after. I have no idea. Because everything is like back to back with a minute walking distance. So we'll see. Because lab, class, work. But between my work study and my tutor student, I get like a 30-minute break. So I'll probably catch you then. So let's go. Good morning. I'm good. Guys, I hope you can see me at this angle. It's a weird angle. But I'm in the pickup line again. I just feel weird vlogging, but then at the same time I like enjoy it. But today, I got to have my salad. I put it in a cup with the nuggets, and I put the nuggets in there. It's so good. And I went ahead and like mixed it together before I left the room. Because last time I was trying to carry a bowl, the nuggets in a container, a drink, and that's when the accident fell of me dropping everything, and it was a disaster. So, cup, put everything in it, and guess what? No spills. And yesterday, I was supposed to have my online meeting, and I put a clip in that she canceled it, like when the meeting was supposed to start. So she canceled them for the rest of the semester. And as I was saying, she had been canceling on us. And at first she was like, we have to have these online meetings, they're required. But now she's at the point where it doesn't even matter if we have them. She's going to put up a video of her telling us what we're supposed to do during the week, and that's going to be it. So, and I have her for 2 classes, so I guess that's what she's going to do for both of the classes I'm in for her, just to put up a meeting of her talking and we watch it or react to it or whatever. And today has been pretty good. I went to lab, played with the 1-year-olds. They're so cute. I went to class, and we went over our lesson plans that we had today, 20 of them. And she didn't even look at them. She just counted like the first 6 and said, all right. I was like, I did all this hard work, and you're not going to look at them? But she was like, the lesson plan unit is due April the 5th. What else? And we're doing observations in the 2-year-old class that I go to tomorrow. And those are due Friday, and she canceled class on Friday, so that's a plus. Now school is getting out, so I'll talk to you guys later. It's really sketchy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Yeah.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
It's one left. I see it.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Alright guys, recap of today. I'm back in the dorm, showered, ready for bed. But today, what was today? I had lab, went to class. What did we talk about in class today? Today we talked about behavior and how to guide it positively. That's what we talked about in class today. Then I went to work study, got some homework done, and did my tutoring. Then, after tutoring, my tutoree, she didn't want to go home. So she ended up staying with me while her mother taught a class. Her mother is a teacher at my school. So while her mother taught a class, she hung out with me. We were going to go to the park, but it started to rain. So we just went to Walmart, McDonald's, and just hung out until her mother came out of class. Now I'm here, showered, and I think I'm going to do some studying for the practice, eat something, and that's pretty much it for today. And tomorrow's my birthday. So tomorrow's my birthday. Oh. So I'm just going to sign off for the video for tonight, and this is not my side. My side is a little more not clean. But anyway, I'm just going to sign off for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh. Good morning, guys. It's my birthday. And I got my scripts. Going to lab again today. I'm not too old for a crown. And whatever. But today's my 23rd birthday. I got lab, have class. I was going to skip class. So he's like, we have a guest speaker today. Everybody needs to be here. And it's only 9 of us in this class, so he noticed if I'm missing. So, going to class. And then I have work study, tutoring, gym. Then I'm going to treat myself to some ice cream for my birthday. Because all my family is so far away. But that's what we're doing today, so let's get this day started. Leaving work study. Having a pretty good birthday so far. And now it's time for me to go to my tutoring. Crown. I think I'm gonna go get some cereal before I go to class. This is so weird. But that's the art building. Back there. And so I'm just gonna get some cereal and go get in line. So that's what we're doing. Guys, it's still my birthday. I'm horrible at this. I forgot to vlog today. But I just came from the Chinese restaurant and I got myself some Chinese for my birthday. Whoop whoop. Now I'm at Sonic and I'm gonna Sonic's. Oh, whatever. And I'm gonna get myself an ice cream. And then that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go back to the room. It is 7 o'clock, 7:30. And I'm going to Netflix and chill the rest of my birthday because I deserve a day off. But today I went to the lab and the kids were so cute. They were singing happy birthday to me. And they're like 1 turning 2. So it's the cutest thing ever. One just kept saying, to you. Because I guess happy birthday was hard for him to say. But it was the cutest thing, them singing every other word to the song. Then I went to class. We had a guest speaker. He was awesome, so I'm glad I went. Got some great information on the interview. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Like the interview tips he gave us. He gave us like 14 to 15 tips. Awesome tips. I'm going to do a video on that because I wrote them all down. And then I went to work. And then I did my tutoring for an hour. So after that, I went to the gym for about an hour. And then after that, I did homework from the time I left the gym till 7. And I ordered me some food. And now from the time I get my ice cream, I am Netflix and chilling until tomorrow. And my class is canceled for tomorrow. So this is going to be an awesome weekend. And I just got work started tomorrow. So maybe there'll be a small bits and pieces. If not, I'll probably end it here. But we will see. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video.